So in the office today, we have the Alienware 720M tri-mode wireless gaming mouse, where you connect this mouse via 2.4 gigahertz dongle directly to your PC or laptop via USB Type-C. You can use this mouse wired, and it also does feature Bluetooth connectivity as well. Now, having all those connectivity options as well as magnetic charging for quick and easy charging on the go as well as at home with the magnetic USB Type-C connector that they give you inside of the box, as well as being a fully ambidextrous mouse with buttons on both sides, does come with some serious caveats. So the first thing that I would say is a little bit of an issue in terms of comparing it to modern and lighter mice is that this mouse is going to weigh in around 100 grams, which may or may not be for you, but if you can deal with that weight, at least you have a ton of features at your disposal. In terms of how this mouse feels in the hand, again, it does feel very similar in terms of the shape of a Logitech G Pro wireless, so you do have a very familiar and safe shape to go with this mouse. For the gaming performance, I had zero issues with wireless connectivity while using the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, but if you're on the go and using the Bluetooth mode, I definitely wouldn't recommend gaming with that. You definitely want to keep that dongle if you're going to be gaming to get that full 1000 hertz polling rate. The skates on the 720M, honestly speaking, are not that great. It's probably one of the weakest things about this mouse because they just don't really help it glide nearly as smoothly as some of the newer and better PTFE feed that I've seen on other mice. And the biggest thing that I can knock this mouse for is probably the price at around 150 bucks. It just seems a little bit expensive for a mouse that is this heavy, but honestly speaking, this thing is pretty feature packed, and it's hard to find another mouse on the market that is a lot lighter weight than this and also includes every feature that this mouse gives you. So I understand where the weight is and the thing going on with the price, but in my opinion, this would be a much fairer buy at around 90-ish, maybe 80 bucks based on the weight. But again, the features are pretty nice to have if you need an all-in-one mouse that does everything, connects every way, and features a pretty nice magnetic charging system. Okay guys, so I was literally rendering the video for this and working on the thumbnail at the same time, and then all of a sudden I heard a pop and my mouse disconnected from my computer, and I was like, what the heck is going on? And then I look over and this is still hot, ow. But I look over and I see that the dongle like exploded, and like this is what it was connected to. Like this, I don't know what happened. But this is the first time I have ever experienced this with a gaming mouse like at all. Literally, I heard a pop and I was like, what the heck is that? Like, I'm freaking hoping it's not my graphics card, but yeah, that's very interesting. I don't know if you should buy this mouse. This has never happened to me before. I'm sure this is a freak accident, but yeah, it was very strange.